everyone, this is Shenzhen speaking, and now we are in the booth of Longgang District Administrative Zone. Now you can see the big screen advertising our company profile. Now we'll go to our station to see our LED glass. Okay, everyone, this is Shenzhen speaking again. Now we are in the booth of the Longgang District Administrative Zone. You can see the TV station are interviewing and tapping explain our LED glass. There are over 20,000 companies around the Longgang district. We are the only company who invited from government department. And as a high-tech company integrating production, research, development, and sales, we believe that we must have the opportunity to work together. We are looking forward contacting with you. Thank you.